Good morning, students. So today I will teach you Java, basic of Java. Okay. So before writing a program, I want to discuss few things with you. So one is uh, data. That means your value. Maybe either 5, 6, or maybe 27.93. Maybe A or B, A, maybe apple or mango or pen, whatever is the value, right? Data. So you can see here, this is one type of data. 5, 6, this is a one type of data, these are one type of data, and this is one type of data. So I'm explaining each and every type of data with you first. Okay, here is a number only without point number. So normal 5, 6, 10, like the round figure number. So we call round figure number integer. We call round figure number integer. This is a point number. So in point number we call float. Float, floating point number. Okay, you can see here A, B, C, D, like that. These are characters. So the char type is char, and this is the apple. What is the word? Or maybe good morning, student. This sentence. So these two types we call string. Okay, these are three type of data. One is integer, one is float, one is char, and one is string. But in these two cases, they're having an additional thing. One is long and one is double. So what is long, what is double? So in a number, that when suppose you are writing 592, this is integer, no problem. If you want to write 592 7 5 6 1 2 8 9, too many numbers, this time we use long. For short number we can easily use integer. For long, we largest number we use long. Similarly, for floating point, same problem. If you write 56.7372 or 928.756, these cases we write float. And if you want to use 56721.8.79286, like that, if you want to use a more long number, that time you use double. Okay, I hope it's clear the types of value. So now we need to know that when we are writing a number, this any number, we need a location where you want to store, right? So this number, suppose 5, 9, we call it data, right? So which type of data? This type of data. So we call it data type. We call these different types, we call it data type. The type of the data is data type. Okay, now coming to the variable. Okay, variable means the storage area. The storage area, whenever you store a value, that area called variable. Suppose you write a is equal to 5, means the value of a is equal to 5. This a call variable. Okay, this a is variable. Suppose you write m is equal to welcome. So this m is variable. Okay, this is a variable. Okay, so you need to know few things first. So how we use these values. So when you use, I'm writing one by one, int or long, we simply write is equal after the variable name. After variable we write only the number 5, 7, 2, this way. Okay, and if you use a float or double, similarly same variable type, variable name equal to, then you can write 5.6, 7.9, like that we can write. But when you use char, that time after variable after equal to, we use a single quote to write the name. So within single quote a, within single quote z. Okay, means we use a single quote to store the data inside the character. Clear? Now string. String, the variable name is equal to, we write within double quote. Okay, pen, double quote, or maybe you want to store the multiple words, suppose red pen, we use double quote. So for long, int and float and double, don't need to use anything, just simply put the value. For character you use single quote, and string we use pen within the double quote to store this one. Okay, so the basic things. One more things you need to know, which is semicolon. This is a very important thing in programming language. The semicolon indicate the line is terminated, means line terminated. Okay, the meaning of semicolon is line terminated. How computer know whatever you are writing a particular line, the line is over? So this semicolon helps you to say to computer that the program particular line is completed. Okay, now one more thing. So when we are writing a program, we need to know a few things. First of all, we need to know Java is a case sensitive programming language. What do you mean by case sensitive? Case sensitive means when you are writing a word, whatever the word, Java having a capacity to check each and every word, because in Java language there is a boundary, or you can say in Java few words are specified that you use capital letter, you use small letter, first word started with capital, or first we started with small, and in between us capital is clearly mentioned in a language, in Java language. When you use that word, you use that particular capital or small in particular letter. Clear? We cannot write capital small haphazardly or our wish. We have to use the Java platform rules and regulation. Okay, now now I'm writing a simple program, and I will explain you each and everything to you. Okay, so I'm writing a program. Write a program to add, to numbers. So today's program is we add two numbers help of a programming language, which is Java. So I'm writing here class. Class name is your choice. So this underline means you can provide anything instead of class name. So I'm writing here, I'm doing the addition, so I'm writing add number. So you cannot provide a blank space, your class name single word. If you want to use a multiple word, okay, so you skip a space in between two words. Okay, and this name is your choice. You can use capital, you can use small, but the class name C small, CLAS is all a small letter. Okay, then second bracket started. I am telling the meaning of the second bracket later on. Wait, then I'm writing void. I'm writing the underline, again underline, meaning the name you can provide according to your choice. So I'm writing here display. This is your choice. Okay, don't think I'm writing display means this is a p. You always use display, you always you add number. These are your choice. You write according to your wish or according to the program requirement. Now bracket, again I'm giving underline. This underline means suppose you're adding two numbers. So suppose you want to add 5 and 9 or 5.6 plus 9. So this is your choice which type of value you are taking. Now if I tell you, then 5 meaning is 5.0, right? So this is a point value. If I consider this is a point value, we can use this one also or this one also, point value this. So I'm writing a double A comma double B. So double A and double B is your choice. These are the name, okay, and this is the type which you learn in the beside page few minutes ago, right? So I will explain it again. So you add two numbers. So two numbers purpose you're taking two types and taking two variable name A and B. Clear? Then second bracket open. Then you are taking a variable, again double. C is equal to A plus B. Semicolon. No semicolon, no semicolon, semicolon. We cannot write a semicolon in class. You cannot write semicolon in method. This is the method line. Okay, this is a method line. We cannot write semicolon over here. Okay, so what we will doing, the whatever value of A and whatever the value of B, we are adding these two values and stored inside a C. So this is the location of A, this is the location of B. Whatever the value of these two in a C, inside C, I'm just storing the answer. Okay, if I provide 5 6, then 5 plus 6 11. If 5.2 and 6.9, it will become 11.1, sorry 12.1. Okay, so this way we're doing the calculation. So if I'm taking int, only int, this time we can store only number, the round digit number, round figure number. We cannot use the point value. So I can use the point value as well as I can use that the normal number, round figure number. That's why I'm using double. So when you add two double number, a point value number, always you get a point number. So that's why the C always the similar with the result. Whatever the result we are getting, according to result, we are taking the type. Okay. Now we need to print the result. So for printing, we use system S capital, small, small, small. This is your choice, but this one and this one same, this one and this one same. System S capital dot out dot print. There is two word, one is print and one is print ln. There is two word, one is print and one is print ln. Okay, so I'm writing here print. I will explain the difference between these two in my next video. Okay, now whatever we want to print, we use double quote. Okay, so I want to print addition result or result is equal to. So I'm writing result. So I'm writing equal to over here because there is no space. Okay, there's no space. So is equal to double quote close. This double quote meaning is whatever you write in between print statement, the things is printed as it is. This thing is printed as it is. Okay, then plus, and what is the difference of plus? I'm telling these two differences. Okay, and C, this and this C same, but this plus and this plus not same. Bracket close, semicolon, this bracket close, and this bracket close. Okay, so I'm telling the meaning of this one. This plus help you to add two numbers and store inside a variable, and this plus help you to differentiate between a message and a variable, because this is a message you print in your screen and this is a variable C who hold some value after doing this calculation. Clear? So now coming to this bracket, what is the use of this bracket? See, in our house there is walls. What is the use of wall? Walls help us to boundary a area. Bounded a area. So this bracket help us the same thing. This bracket means this portion is this line, and this bracket helps to this the entire whatever the present inside this braces means the entire thing present inside this class. Okay, this is the class bracket and this is the method bracket. So I'm writing here this slash means you comment. Okay, comment. You cannot execute this line, you cannot see this line, but this is a comment. You can use it, but it is not effect on your program. So I'm writing end of method. So this is called method. Bracket open, bracket close. So end of method, and this is the end of class. So I'm again explaining each and every line. This is a class line. The class name is your choice. C small, void small. Okay, void means null. Void means null. This is the method name is your choice. This is the variable type. A is a variable name. Variable type. B is a variable name. You use multiple variable as a parameter. We call this portion is called parameter. Okay, these are the parameters. Okay, two parameters are present, so you use comma to differentiate these two parameters. And now double C is equal to A plus B D small. So you are calculating A plus B and store inside the C, which is double type, because A and B double type. We know when we add two double type we get one double type value result. Okay, now I'm using the print system.out.print. All are small except this S. Within double quote is your choice. Whatever you want to write, you can write. The capital small doesn't matter. You can see as it is whenever you're writing over here. Okay, plus C. C is the result, where you store the result, and use the plus sign to differentiate between a message and a variable. Okay, this is the closing basis of method. This is called braces. Okay, called method, and is the closing braces of class. Okay, I hope all of you are clear for this. So when you run this program, okay, you can see here a box. Okay, in next video I will explain you how to run all how to do all those things. Okay, so you can see two boxes, because you use two parameters, so two boxes. You can see one is double A is written, another double B is written. So you put your value over here, and when you're pressing enter, you can see a message. Your output look like result is equal to, suppose you are putting A is equal to 5.9 and B is equal to 6. Okay, that time you can see 11.9. This is the solution. So this way we are doing the calculation. Okay, so I'm just holding my words to you, so you can easily write it from the video. Okay, so those who are new in my channel, Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos and press the bell icon for the next video notification. So if you press the bell icon, you get my video as early as possible to you. When I uploaded it, you can get it from my channel. Okay, I think this video is helpful for you. You can easily understand the entire thing, what's the meaning of this, each and everything. Okay, just go pause my video and you note it down in your copy. Okay, thank you, see you soon.